Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So jumping right in, Micah usually beats me up the stairs so he can race to his room and get started on playing with his toys. So of course that's what he was doing by the time I made it upstairs. He's been very into his toys lately, so I just give him the free time to do what he wants and just play with his toys the way he wants to. And he does have like a set few that he usually gravitates towards, so he never makes that big of a mess. And since I'm letting him have playtime while I get things done around the house, I do like to make sure I close the retractable baby gate at the top of the stairs. That way I can kind of make sure he's in the same general area as me and it's easier to keep an eye on him. Okay, y'all, so real quick, I'm so excited to announce that today's video actually has a sponsor. So today's video is sponsored by the Double Elite store, and they are a US seller on Amazon. Their products can be shipped through Prime, so I did receive this product within 2 days. And the product that I got from them is a retractable baby gate. I was already in the market for a baby gate when they reached out to me to partner with me on this video, so it was definitely a no-brainer. I have been getting great use out of this baby gate so far, and I would definitely recommend it. It's so easy to install, so I'm just gonna break it down and show y'all how easy it was for me to install. All I needed was a drill, or of course you can use a screwdriver if that's what you have on hand. What I also appreciated about this company was that they send so many extra tools. There's so many companies that I've ordered from and I've accidentally broken something and I was just out of luck, but not with Double Elite. They made sure that I had plenty of extra of everything that I needed to make sure that, of course, my baby gate was properly installed. Another thing I could appreciate about this baby gate is that it does not have that traditional jail cell look where you have to worry about your babies getting their limbs caught. And it's also cost efficient, so you do not have to worry about breaking the bank to make sure that you have safety within your home for your children. So for any moms or dog moms who may be interested in this product, I will have a link down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm just going to be jumping right into making dinner, and for this night I just chose to go for something quick and simple. So I had already taken out this chicken and I didn't really know what to do with it, so I just stopped by the store and grabbed some stuff for chicken Alfredo. So that's what we ended up having for dinner. And not even gonna lie to y'all, I usually don't even cook throughout the week just because we usually have dinner at my mom's, but my mom didn't cook on this night, so I just ended up making something quick here at home. So while I was waiting for the chicken to finish cooking and the water to start boiling for the noodles, I just went ahead and got the dishes I had already used out of the way. I'm definitely a firm believer in clean as you go. That way you don't have to take out extra time to do that once you're done. And with our dinner, we were actually trying this new vegan-based pasta sauce that I found at Kroger just because Micah has been having a lot of stomach problems. So I was excited to try that for the first time and see how it came out. And it actually did come out pretty good. So dinner time is usually a time that I like to take to be more active with Micah and actually take that time to converse with him and try to teach him new things. So I did not incorporate that within the video just because he is easily distracted by the camera. So y'all did not get to see that part. And once he was done with dinner, he asked for watermelon, so I just gave him a bowl of watermelon. And of course, he wanted to FaceTime my mom and talk to her, so I let him do that while I knocked out the rest of the dishes. And of course, once we're all done with dinner, it is time for Micah to get his bath. I like to incorporate Micah's bath time as a time to kind of start getting him wound down for bed. So I use this Dr. Till's melatonin foaming bath, and then just to make a little fun for him, I add these Crayola bath bombs. This night he got blue, so that's what color water he ended up with. So once I've given Micah a few minutes to play in the water a little bit, I go ahead and bathe him. And for that, I use the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Unscented Baby Soap. And he's been using that for a few months now. And I just find that it gets him clean and it doesn't strip his skin. And it also does not make him break out like a lot of baby soaps do.
Look. Look.
So So once Mike is out of the tub, we just go ahead and take a few minutes to get his room clean. And I do try to make sure that I have him help as much as he can. That way he kind of understands that soon he will be cleaning his own room. Since he's like big enough to mess it up, he's big enough to clean it up. As y'all can see, I make sure that he is definitely hands-on with that and helping, just so he can go to bed with a clean room and not wake up having to worry about stuff being everywhere. Once I have Micah in the bed, the next thing I like to do is just take out a few minutes to read a book to him. The book that we read on this night is called Time to Pee, and it's just a cute little potty training book that I found at Target. And I figured it was very on track for where he is right now with potty training. So he does enjoy the book and he is very active because he understands what's going on. I did forget to give Micah his vitamin and his allergy medicine while he was eating dinner, so I'm just giving it to him now before he gets ready to go to bed. And now I'm just making sure that he's covered up and that he has his Elefante before I get ready to turn on his white noise machine and turn the lights off. And as far as sleep training goes, I've been doing the same things with Micah consistently since he was about 5 or 6 months, so he pretty much knows when it's time for bed, so I never have any issues with getting him to go to sleep at night. Now to get myself ready for bed, I'm just going to take a quick little bubble bath with this eucalyptus and spearmint Epsom salt by Dr. Teal's. And then I like to use that in conjunction with the body wash just to add a little bit of bubbles. When I have the time to take a bubble bath, I just like to use this time to relax and wind down. So I usually like to catch up on videos, just something simple where I'm not worried about any responsibilities or chores I have to do. This week in particular was a little bit busier than usual. So once I get my phone on the charger, I am going to go ahead and check my planner for the next day. So I make sure I'm not forgetting anything that needs to be done. And once I'm done making sure that everything I need to do is accounted for, of course, I just like to go ahead and take a few minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to read a chapter or so out of my book. And I'm currently reading Hustle Harder, Hustle Smarter again. I just feel like some books you have to read over and over just because there's so many gems. You can't get them all the first go round. This is actually my 3rd time reading this book now, and I learn something new each time. Once I have my work clothes laid out for the next day, I like to go ahead and cut on my white noise, and at that point it's time for the lights to go out. Okay, y'all, so that is going to be it for my weekday nighttime routine. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Another big thank you to Videoleap for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out on Amazon. They are based in the US, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.